Hello friends, I am Hiren Domadia, owner of Inshape Precision Component Pvt Limited. We are working at Rajkot area and we are a most prestigious precision manufacturing machining components. So we are established in 2019. The company has been established in 2019 and we have started this journey almost 5 years back with the LMW machines. The first phase of the LMW machines, we got 5 machines from the LMW, 3 numbers of turning centers and 2 numbers of milling centers, we got it. So these machines are very fine art machines for any machinist or any precision machinist manufacturers who are actually doing machining craftsmanship and the art of the machining of the metal cutting. So here I would like to introduce our company and with the experience of the LMW machines currently. I can actually share a good and profitable machining experience with the LMW machines, the machine qualities, the machining qualities and the craftsmanship of the LMW, which we can actually having an enriched experiment from last 5 years. So I would like to take you some points of the machines where we have actually overcome some challenges, where we are actually facing in the industries with the different buyers, with the different customers. Our business is actually depend on truly different types of industries. Since we are catering in a different type of industries, we are catering to aerospace, we are catering to valve manufacturing, we are catering to chemical valve manufacturing, specialty valve manufacturing, pump manufacturing, where the pump is actually working in a very rugged and very rigidity environment, where you can see that performance of the components are very phenomenal. Since the EODD pump are actually working for extracting lithium components from the mining, and that sort of components we are machining at the LMW machines. We are also serving to industries where we are part of specialty products like heat exchangers products, hydraulic products, fire safety hydraulic products, in terms of oil and gas and mining products. So all these are industries are actually fine, fabulous, and this is a specialty industries where we are supplying components. We are supplying these components from last 5 years, last 5.5 years, and we have no complaint from the customers, since we are doing all this machining from the LMW machines. So Lakshmi Machine Works, let me tell you, Lakshmi Machine Works is the best quality machine manufacturers in machine tools industries. First case, we have three type of different turning centers. All turning centers are fabulous, very rigid, very fine-tuned machines. We are getting a very fine-tuned finishings in the components. In one of the case, we have to achieve roughness value of the surface somewhere around 0.1, and that point of contact we came to know that such things can be possible only in the grinding. But once we have experience with the LMW machines, we got machining into that, and internal diameter of the component we have achieved 0.1 surface value. So this is a first challenge we have actually overcome from the Lakshmi Machine Works machinings. All the machines who are actually working in our shop are in network area. So this is a easy connectivity, easy accessibility, where we are putting all the machines into one network area, and all the machines are connected to the one server, and where we are actually communicating with the machines through the networking. So the industry 4.0 experience is well established and well mannered in Lakshmi Machine Works. Our pinpoints in machining, where we are actually having one more pen while we are doing a chemical component and metering component, and that component required rigid vertical milling centers, and that's why we got JV100, JV55 and JV80. So in that JV80 and JV100 we got our rugged and rigid machining experience. The metering industries are required all the surfaces to be machined in one shot. So we have a discussion with the Lakshmi Machine Works. They've given us a fine-tuned product with that 4th axis table, and then they have actually also provide us a probing system where we can actually completing, and we are actually doing a reduced time, while we don't have to go for a manually check for the X and Y, and where we can actually get X and Y directly from the suggested probing systems. So this sort of a pain points has been overcome, and some sort of experience we have got from the Lakshmi Machine Works. And in that we are actually getting machining on our LTV 50, that is a turning center of the vertical lathe, and we are getting a fine-tuned machining over there. We are getting a bore size within the 10 micron size within the bore with the length of 400 mm, 400 millimeter mm. So this is what the our experience with the machining, and I can definitely recommend it if somebody is actually looking for a machining industries for a value making components. Go for the Lakshmi Machine Works and get them work for you for your floor, and get the right product with them. We have got very right product from the Lakshmi Machine Works. LTV 55 vertical lathe machines, LL25 500, LL25 700, LL20 for 500, and then Smart Plus, Smart 10 Plus. So these are the machines we are actually getting in our shops, and we are actually enjoying by doing a machining over here. The ROI which I can say is where we have started the this company, and we have calculated that we will get a minimum ROI of, let's say, 12% or 15% in as per the market industries. But getting these machines, I can definitely say that we are actually getting ROI 5% up than what we have imagined it. So it's almost 18% to 19% ROI we are getting by achieving machining from the Lakshmi Machine Works. I can give you a specific examples of some of the component crucials and component manufacturing with our machine shops. We are also supplying to some of the components to our overseas customers in the USA. They are manufacturing of vacuum component compressors, and in that vacuum compressors, that compressors required volute and casings products in the stainless steel material, and those components are actually working for vacuum industries, where people that compressors are actually selling to the chip manufacturing like IBM and Intel. So such sort of industries we are actually serving to them. And in that compressor, the volute which we are supplying to them, our customers, are required to the 10 micron parallelisms with the 10 micron symmetricities and all sort of things in the 3 millimeter wall thicknesses. And we are getting a good achievement with our machines of JV80 and JV100 in the milling machines, and LL25 700 we are getting good bore size with the good RA value. So such kind of a product examples you can see behind me. There is a showcasings of our products. You can see that our products are actually fine-tuned with the Lakshmi Machine Works machines. In my opinion, this is the best choice machines for the industries and people who are actually in the precision machining manufacturing. The ability of getting a tight tolerances in the machines, because they have a rigidness in the structure manufacturing, in the machining concepts, their motor selections, their turret selections, their chuck selections, everything is fine tuned and fine products. They have actually using ball screws are very good, so that we can actually achieve approximately 8 micron tolerance in any cases where geometrical diameters are a requirement. So GD&T is fine tuned because of they have a rigid structure, because of their heavy structure of the machines, and then stability on the floor. That is why we are getting a good metal cutting machining on the precision manufacturing component. The durability and longevity of our machines are very good, because we are using these machines from 2019 2020, and today we have any maintenance. There is no any accident or nothing has been happened up till now. So durability is very good, the machining is very good. Machines having a low maintenance cost structure wise, it's a very low maintenance machines, and we are actually using these machines from last 5 years, so we don't have any maintenance problem in the machines. We have options to get some customizations machines also, so we are likely to invite Lakshmi Machine Works to join us and discuss and provide us some customized products, where we have some customized product also, because we are also dealing into the specialty sealings, where the chemical plants and chemical products are required for a specialty sealings. So in that we are actually machining bronze filled, stainless steel filled PTFE lining sealings on the machines. So this PTFE plastics having inside 45% or 50% of metal inbuilt compositions, where we are cutting those things, specialty seals on the machines, and then customized machines are actually giving us a very cost reduction and very time reductions on the customization machines. This will definitely help us to prove our strength, to prove our capability, getting a high ROIs, and we can actually project a new client, because of we are having a good machines with us, and we can achieve the good tolerances on the machines. The technical team of Lakshmi Machine Works are fine tuned and very helpful for us. In one of the cases we are actually having a good inputs from the application team, technical team. One of the components we are actually getting from our customer. They have offer us to put on to very tight tolerances. So that tight tolerance is required to be achieved in one go, in one single setup, and we have actually discussed with the technical team of the LMW. They have given us a good thought inputs, and application wise they have given us good suggestions, where we can actually got achievement of products where we can actually achieve 7 micron tolerances. Looking ahead for our specific requirement of the machines, since we are actually likely to expand in near futures, so we are actually looking to get a good partnership with Lakshmi Machine Works. Some more machines are going to be added in future, and they are yet to come at Inshape Precision Component Pvt Limited. So IPCPL is waiting to be a very good growth partner with us, and then LMW is most welcome, and with the open arm and open heart, IPCPL is actually inviting to the LMW to join us with this growth journey. Thank you very much.